Research process or research design. Research process or research design. Every researcher or research scholar must learn about the research process and research design. Without knowing any knowledge about the research process, they cannot frame any article. They cannot frame any article, or they can't made any theory. They cannot generate any theory. Research is a continuous process in a social science and science. Research is a continuous process in a social science and science. In social science, particularly research, it is based on in a systematic manner. Research is based on systematic manner. Manner based on questionnaire observations and questionnaire observations, hypothesis, objectives. It is always based on systematic manner. Particularly, what is made by research? Research means to search for knowledge, to known to unknown things, to dig, to discover, to find out new things, to generate new theory, to generate new invention. That is called as research. In research, the first step of research is selecting the research area. Research scholar, initially he should select research area or research topic. Without selecting of research area or research topic, he cannot move forward. He cannot take any step. That is initial step of research, to selecting the research area, whether it is in the form of large or very small. He should mention, and he should decide himself whatever topic has been selected by the researcher. In research, topic selection, research area selection is initially he should select. That is first step. And second one is formulating the research aims and objectives and research questions and hypotheses. Formulating the aims and objectives, he should write down statement of the problem. What is the statement of the research problem? And aims and objectives of the research. And he should frame research questions. And questionnaire, structured questionnaire, unstructured questionnaire, or general public questionnaire, officials questionnaire. Different kinds of questionnaire must be prepared by the research scholar to do research. And then after he should frame hypothesis. Hypothesis means imaginary view. It may be proved or may not be proved. Every theory must be based on hypothesis. So on the basis of hypothesis, everyone should try to make new theory, like Newton theory or any Darwin theory or any other theory generated by the researcher based on hypothesis. So whatever area selected by the researcher, whatever topic selected by the researcher, and you should finalize hypothesis after preparation of the aims and objectives and research questions and hypothesis is mandatory. And finally, you should go for hypothesis testing, and that is result testing. So whether it may be 50% succeeded, whether it may be 100% succeeded, that will be mentioned in the hypothesis. And third step is conducting the literature review. That is in the form of books, journals, records, bulletins, GOs, etc. Secondary data. That is called as secondary data. Books are journals. That is called as secondary data. A review of literature is based to formulate, to generate new theory. On the basis of the review of literature, research scholar he should select he should select he will select to do research in a systematic manner without any base of review of literature or secondary sources of data. He cannot create easily new theory new theory. That is third step of research. Selecting methods of data collection. Selecting methods of data collection. Data collection. What kind of data collection methods applied by the research scholar? Through questionnaire, schedules, surveys, or group discussion, or focus group discussion, oral histories, etc. Different kinds of data collection methods. What kind of data collection methods applied by the researcher? He should know about the research scholar must know about the research. That is initially necessary. That is initially necessary. That is fourth step of data collection. Data analysis and data analysis of data. Whatever data collected by the research scholar on the basis of the questionnaire or surveys or sampling. So, on the basis of the questionnaire and sample or surveys, data may be collected, and without collecting of data, there is no analysis of data. Data analysis. So, gender wise, male wise, female wise, and literate wise, illiterate wise, data must be analyzed through percentages, and percentages of opinion can be explained in this research process. That is also one of the important step. Next, reaching conclusions. Before conclusions you should go for findings. Whatever findings are there, he must mention. So whatever loopholes in the administrative system, he must mention loopholes in the research. That is one of the step had been taken by the research scholar. And then after, findings and suggestions. So any topic was selected by the research scholar, any analysis has been selected by the any research area has been selected by the research scholar. He should analyze about the data. On the basis of the sample collection or data collection, and finally he should suggest to take betterment of the improvement of the what kind of suggestive measures suggested by the researcher. And finally he should go for reaching conclusions, and he should review the report once again, whatever mistakes he made by him, and corrections must be verified by the researcher. And finally he should write down bibliography. That is process of research or research design. It will be like this. These are the stages of research process.